The notion of a General Motors streetcar conspiracy emerged after General Motors and other companies were convicted of monopolizing the sale of buses and supplies to National City Lines and its subsidiaries. In the same case, the defendants were accused of conspiring to own or control transit systems in violation of Section 1 of the Sherman Antitrust Act. The suit created lingering suspicions that the defendants had in fact plotted to dismantle streetcar systems in many cities in the United States as an attempt to monopolize surface transportation. Between 1938 and 1950, National City Lines and its subsidiaries, American City Lines and Pacific City Lines, with investment from GM, Firestone Tire, Standard Oil of California, Federal Engineering, Phillips Petroleum, and Mack Trucks, gained control of additional transit systems in about 25 cities. Systems included St. Louis, Baltimore, Los Angeles, and Oakland. NCL often converted streetcars to bus operations in that period, although electric traction was preserved or expanded in some locations. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.